Xbox Game Bar is a useful feature in Windows 11, offering the ability to capture gameplay footage and screenshots directly through a convenient overlay. However, sometimes users find that the capture option is disabled or grayed out. Several factors can cause this issue, like graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can prevent the game bar from functioning correctly. Here are some solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Scroll down the System Components. Click on System Components. Locate Xbox Game Bar. Click on the three dots to open the Xbox Game Bar options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If the Xbox Game Bar app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Xbox Game Bar data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Xbox Game Bar is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Xbox Game Bar data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. The Xbox Game Bar data will be deleted. Now press Reset. If Xbox Game Bar is still not working, you could try to reinstall. First, open the Start menu. Type PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Copy the text that you will find in the description of this video. Right-click the PowerShell's framework and select Edit. Select Paste. Now press Enter to uninstall the Xbox Game Bar. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for Xbox Game Bar. Click on Xbox Game Bar. Press Get. Wait for the Xbox Game Bar to be downloaded and installed.